pinagpapal tayo. So, maglalaro tayo Roblox. So, kaganito pala sa Roblox episode to. Tignan natin kung nakuha ko sa dinosaur eagle. Oy, may mimic octopus. Kailangan pa parang isa eh. Ako tatlo yun eh. Okay, dalawa lang pala. Okay. I-drop. Ako, dami ko ng Raid Raptor. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung collection ko ng Raid Raptor. Rhinoceros. Ay. Stein. Papamigay ko tong mga pets na. What the heck is that thing? Ano yan? Okay, this is Ashley's garden. My friend. What I had from him. I heard. Okay, I will give this to somebody. And this. And this. And this. And this. Only if you like and subscribe. I promise. And put your name in the comment. And I will give you the but you need to be a subscriber. Don't lie. If you're not subscribed but you always watch my channel, I'll give you something. Okay, I will give you something. Okay? I will give you anything. Okay, a fruit. Okay. This thing is huge. Okay, I will give you a fruit. Okay, let's check what pet do I. Oh, I'm pretty curious. Okay, don't be angry. Don't be angry. Nasa utak ko, pwede ko ba i-submit yung dinosaur? Okay, may dragonfly to si bro. Meron siyang ito. Uy, may Julie Ford crate. Blood Moon crate. Ito, Twilight crate. Dino crate. Honey crate. Sign crate. Sour Fun crate. Beach crate. Honey crate. Sinisipon ako ngayon guys, kaya hindi ako masyadong magsasalita. Fruit start from open gawa na ito. Kung matagal-tagal yan, okay. Bali baka bukas ko pa ang gawin. Okay, wala talaga ako usually get na. I'm gonna pick you up, my man. Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and change your mind, okay? Bye.